Hey everybody, Jamie from the Marine Doctors YouTube channel, and today I want to give a shout out to Luke. Luke contacted me a while back about talking about his engine that he was having troubles with regards to turning it off, and was very receptive to the information that I was giving him, which I thought was fantastic. And I really appreciate the kind words that he had for me. Being lifted to celebrity status as a YouTuber, that was cool. Because around here, I'm just another guy that throws a wrench. Okay, but kind of leads me into my video. Why is it, you guys can maybe answer this for me or help me with this, and other techs, I know that you guys watch my channel and I appreciate it, but maybe you can chime in on this too. Why is it that people message us, contact us, come in and see us, ask us what we think is wrong with their engine, and then just stand there and dismiss everything that we're telling them about what their problem could be? For example, if no water's coming out of the telltale and you simply tell them, well, have you blown out the telltale? And they'll go, oh, no, it can't be that. A friend at the lake told me that that kind of stuff doesn't happen. Whatever their reason is, why is there always someone at the lake, or they've got a friend that knows more about the industry than we do? And why would they bother to come in and ask us if they've already got that friend that's been helping them to figure things out? Sometimes it's just really confusing. And you have to reiterate to them many times before they just finally say, oh, well, maybe that is it. Because you got to remember, their friend might have seen it happen once to a buddy of his, or you know how the saying is, somewhere down the line they knew someone who knew someone who knew someone who had the same problem. And it may or may not have been the exact same problem, but you have to remember that I've seen that exact same problem, or that similar problem, or whatever, probably hundreds of times. So the information that myself or another tech is going to give out is probably going to be very close to being bang on, or at least lead you in the right direction. Right? So if a customer comes in and they tell me, yeah, I can't seem to start my engine, I need a new fuel pump, and this is the old pulse style, right? So we're supposed to prime the engine, fill up the carburetors with fuel, and they say, well, it doesn't start because my fuel pump doesn't work. My friend at the lake told me I need a fuel pump. You don't need a fuel pump. You need to prime the engine and get fuel into the carburetors. At that point, the fuel pump is moot. It doesn't matter. It could even be off the engine. The engine will start. It just probably won't continue to run. And they'll say, oh, but, there is no oh, buts. Those are facts. If you put gas into the carburetor yourself with your primer bulb, you don't need a fuel pump for that particular short period of time. Anyway, that was kind of a bit of my rant today. I know I rant quite a bit, but it's tough for me to shoot the other videos where I'm busy fixing stuff, because A, we're too busy, and it's just me and my son here doing the work now, because there's, the two of us instead of three, so I can't really justify spending time making those types of videos. That's why I'm putting out more of these. I do these before I start work in the morning here, and yeah, that's that, I guess. I got nothing more to say about that. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And again, hey, thanks, Luke. That was great. Laters.